This is you this. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then hi, this is Sheen, and in today's video we are going to do a mini Nykaa haul. And before that, a little background change. I've been shooting all of my videos in my hall, and this is my room, and I've set up something like this. More to do, but for now I am working out with this background. So let me know how you like it in the comment section. And in today's video we are going to do a mini Nykaa haul. Recently I'd been to Nykaa. We are going to do IKEA haul, and recently I'd been to IKEA in Bangalore, and I got few stuffs. Like literally this time I've got very few stuffs, but usually I buy something or the other, and I have a lot of IKEA items in my home. So let me know if you want to see even that as well. But for now we are going to do a mini IKEA haul that I recently got. So let's get started. I have it here, but you know what? Every time I go, I get so tempted, but I tell myself that I am not going to buy anything this time. Every time I tell myself this, I end up buying something or the other. Like literally this time, like till the billing section, I was like with one or two products, like that is just like costing around 100 rupees. That's it, and nothing more than that I decided to buy. But then when I went in, there's one section where the returned products are being sold. I went to the section and I found this lamp. That lamp I found there, and I was like so tempted to get that. I got it. And their marketing strategy is this. So I got that lamp, and along with that you need to buy their IKEA specific bulb. So the lamp itself costed me around 1300 plus 300 with the bulb. So again, I got few more stuffs along with that. So that is what we are going to see. So first thing is this. This is a 6 set bowls. What is this called? Yeah, I don't know what exactly this is called, but I don't know what exactly this is called, but this I wanted. When in our church we sometimes do potluck, and when we do potluck, like good quantity of the items, like whatever we prepare and we take, good quantity we will be needing, and that is why I wanted this. I didn't have one, so I got this. So this, again, I told you, the returned product section, there I had been, and I just got this for 199. The set is for 399. You get 6 of it, but since there were only 3 pieces in this, so this is one, this is 2, and there is another one inside. This is another one. So since these are only 3 pieces, so I got it for 199. It's like really good to store anything and everything in this. It's like pretty huge. I didn't have like huge boxes like this, and sometimes we do plan for picnics, like me and my friends plan for picnics, and we just take homemade food, and at that time I'll just be searching for big containers, big boxes, but I don't end up getting one. That's why I thought, okay, let me just keep this. It'll just be useful just when you go out or something. So that's that. And second thing that I can see here is this. This is to my sister's son. He's not even a year, so but I saw this in IKEA. It was like so cute. It has a spoon. It has I don't know what it is called. They just put it here when they are feeding, so that they don't spill all over. And there's one plate, like cute plate, and there's a glass. And what else? Yeah, like good stuff. So I thought I'll get this. So I got this one. And then I got these glasses. These are a set of 6 glasses. I think I'm gonna open them. They look something like this. So these are glasses. It's December. I'm shooting this in December, so anytime soon, I am going to have I'm going to have carols. So people are going to come home. I didn't have like a good set of same glasses, so just to serve them some juice or anything like that. So I got 2 of these. These are same set of glasses. I really liked, and they were like pretty good price. Like they were for 129 or something. I got like 6 glasses for 129, which is like a deal. And then I got this lamp which I'm using currently here. I am going to insert a video or picture somewhere here. You can have a look. So when I was shifting here to this place, I got few stuffs, like a lot of stuffs from IKEA to this home, which I wanted, and along with that I saw this lamp. Of course, like I don't really use artificial light like this. I usually tend to use natural light, natural sunlight, and that's what iPhone is for. Use natural light with iPhone is just going to give you the best results. So I was doing that, and I had ring lights. I was not really okay with ring lights, but also like how long you're going to be dependent on sunlight. Sometimes it's going to be there, sometimes it's not going to be there. So I wanted something like some warm light in my home, like for the shoot purpose. So I was like, I saw this last time when I was about to shift. I went in, I think it's in the month of Feb or March. I shifted here to this place and I saw this. I got it for a very good deal. I got it for 1,200 or 1,500 something. It's like a very sleek, very good quality lamp. But then at that time the expenses were so much that I decided to return this so that I can save some money. I got home, I opened, no, I didn't open. I got home and I happened to like take the complete packed product itself and go and return it to them. And yeah, I just returned it, and later after a few days I didn't. But then every time I go there, I'm just like so tempted with that product. I just like this product a lot, and the lamp. And every time I regret, like, oh shit, I should have kept that. I should have not given it. I should have not returned it. I was always regretting my decision. And the actual cost of that is 3,500 or 3,000, close to 3,000. I was like, no, I'm gonna wait till the lamp price is come down to that level what I have taken like previously. It's the same. Only then I'm going to get that. And I was like, okay, fine. I'm gonna wait. 3-4 times I visited IKEA like after that, and every time the lamp's price was so much, like 3,000, 2,990, 3,550, something like, I think it's the standard 2,990. It was always 3,000. So I was like, no, I am not going to pay 3,000 and get this, because first I paid only half of the price and I've gotten that product to my home and returned it back. Now I'm not going to pay double of it and get it to my home. So I was like, I'm gonna wait. And this time when I saw, I was like, yes, I'm going to get it. I am going to like buy this at any cost and set it to my home no matter what. I got this. So I'm gonna like insert a picture here. It's like a pretty lamp, so I got that one. And in the same section I had this one. Of course Christmas is here and I want to like decorate my home, and this is just a piece. Just inside you just keep a pot. You need to keep a pot here, and yeah, that's how it's going to like hung the pot. So I just got this for 99. It is 199, but I got this for 99. So I was like, okay, let me pick it up. And then I got 2 brushes. This is utensils cleaning brush. I was like, really, does this really work? A little skeptical about this, but yeah, I got this. And very similar to this one, there is another one, the green one, which just used. So I got that one. And yeah, that's it. I know it's just a small mini haul, but I wanted to share this story, so I thought I'll make a video. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one. Like I have bunch of other IKEA products at my home which I'm already using. So if you want me to make video on that, I'm gonna do a video on that one as well. But you all let me know what should I be doing, and I will be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.